Just that deep personal moment, and then that huge community social component. My name is Ariel Robin Erskine. I initially joined Coach to master the wisdom so that I can incorporate it into my kids' homeschooling. And I realized that my two kids, who are both teenagers, when they finish with the homeschool and move on, I wanted to continue to coach. And I knew it was time for me to re-enroll, to go next level, and just find other ways to deepen my understanding and continue to incorporate it into my life, the lives of my family, and the lives of my community and beyond. I've always loved philosophy. I've always loved expansive thinking. The wisdom from Heroic spoke from the heart into the body and then outwards. It's action. It's how do you take this and you make it part of your life. You make it part of your family's life and your community's life. And I've already begun to see the ripples beyond us. I see the people and the other kids that my kids interact with. And I see how they have now taken it and they're now inspiring their friends and other family members. Coming here brought home to me all these other heroes who are also experiencing it and who are also fired up to make those ripples and be the change to make the change. And I know that the biggest gift I'm gonna get from this event is taking that home with me to use as fuel to continue on my journey to inspire and help others flourish. It was about the community, and it was about getting support and giving support and being on the course to help others do their best. And so just that deep personal moment, and then that huge community social component. I am different at the end of this race. I'm excited to see how all of us take this weekend home and to see what further change we make. I do not have the words to express how much this means to me and how much it'll mean to my family. This was a gift, 100% worth it.